Yes, students, in the second property which we discussed, what was the second property? Mixture shows the property of its constituent. And compound, the properties of compound are different from the properties of its constituent. There I discussed two examples. Taking the example magnet and adding carbon disulfide solution. One more example is there. One more property of iron. First property of iron, when you bring a magnet, iron gets attracted. So, to a mixture of iron filling and sulfur powder, if you bring a magnet, iron gets attracted. So, mixture shows the property of its constituent. Okay? And compound, iron sulfide, if you bring a magnet, iron will not get attracted. So, compound do not show the properties of its constituent. Second example what I discussed, this sulfur powder, what is the property? It dissolves in carbon disulfide solution. Okay, so to this mixture if you add carbon disulfide solution, sulfur will get dissolved. So mixture shows the properties of its constituents. But compound, iron sulfide, if you add carbon disulfide solution, sulfur will not get dissolved. So compound do not show the properties of its constituent. One more example is there to explain this property. Property of iron. Second property. If you add acid to metal, if you add acid, dilute sulfuric acid or dilute hydrochloric acid to iron, if you add, which gas is evolved? Hydrogen gas. Which gas is evolved? Hydrogen gas. So, to iron, if you add dilute hydrochloric acid, this iron is more reactive than hydrogen. So, iron will displace hydrogen. Displace hydrogen means remove hydrogen and take its place. So, it will change to FeSO4 and hydrogen will come out in the form of hydrogen gas. So, to iron, if you add dilute sulfuric acid, which gas is evolved? Hydrogen gas. This is a second property of iron. Now, to this mixture of iron filling and sulfur powder, if you add dilute sulfuric acid, this iron filling will show its property. Means if you add this dilute sulfuric acid to this mixture, sulfur will not react, but iron filling will react with sulfuric acid, and which gas will be evolved? Hydrogen gas. It means mixture shows the property of its constituent. Mixture shows the property of its constituent. But compound, iron sulfide, black colored substance, to this iron sulfide, if you add dilute sulfuric acid, what will happen? This iron will displace hydrogen, means remove hydrogen and take its place. So what is obtained? FeSO4 plus what is left now? Hydrogen and sulfur. It will combine, and here which gas is evolved? Hydrogen sulfide gas. Which gas is evolved? Hydrogen sulfide gas. So this is compound iron sulfide. To this compound, when you add dilute sulfuric acid, which gas is evolved? Hydrogen sulfide gas. A foul smelling gas. And what is the property of iron? When dilute sulfuric acid is added, which gas is evolved? Hydrogen gas. But in this compound, iron, which is a constituent of this compound, will not show the property. Its property means compound do not show the property of its constituent. Compound do not show the property of its constituent. Because to iron sulfide, which is a compound, when you are adding sulfuric acid, in place of hydrogen gas, which gas is evolved? Hydrogen sulfide gas. So this compound has totally different property. Compound do not show the property of its constituent. Okay.